Can I go home today?
No, not today.
Tomorrow?
I don't know. I have to talk to the doctor about that. Okay, come on, finish up some lunch here.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
Is everyone at home okay?
Everything's okay at home.
Are you okay, Mommy?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Hey, Mikey. How you doing? Look, you can't let those walls get you down. Believe me, I know. I spent a little time behind walls. I know they can drive you crazy. You gotta look beyond the walls. You know, learn to live inside your head. Hey, there's no walls that can stop you there. All right, I gotta get back to work. You take it easy, Mikey.
Look at my mask.
Oh, wow, beautiful. Why did you make it?
I have my secrets.
Ah, wait a minute. I thought we had no secrets, you and I.
I'll tell you later. Don't you have any questions to ask me?
Mm-hmm. So have you made any other masks?
Couple.
Why is your hair getting so messy?
Because no one sees me.
Yes, they do. I see you every day. Your mom? She comes every week.
Anybody else?
Michael has begun to obsess on the construction of these primitive masks. It is the rare occasion that he will allow himself to be seen without one of these. Only during the weekly visits from his mother does he show brief glimpses of the boy he once may have been.
I'm sorry. Am I gonna die of old age here too?
No, don't be silly.
Do you like my mask?
Yeah. When'd you make this?
Just yesterday. I like the mask because it hides my face.
I don't like you to hide your face. Take it off.
It hides my ugliness.
Sweetie, don't say that. Take it off. You're not ugly. Don't talk like that, okay? I missed you so much. I miss you too.
Michael's so-called normal moments are becoming fewer and fewer, and I'm particularly worried about this. I believe it's these masks have begun to create a mental sanctuary in which Michael can hide within himself and from himself.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la.
Fuck you, world! I hate you! Shut the fuck up! I'm gonna get out of here! Just let me out! I hate this world!
I don't want to be here anymore.
I know. It's okay.
I just want to go home.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I want to just go home.
I'm afraid you can't go home.
Why?
Because you've done terrible things. It's okay. It's okay, Michael.
Michael's downward slide into this hellish abyss continues. I fear he's on the verge of completely shutting down.
I managed to persuade the suits to let you come outside and sit out in the garden. All right, garden. It's hardly a charming place, but at least there's a bit of greenery. But please, I mean, if you don't communicate with me, how can I help you? I'm here to help you. I feel an utter failure at the moment, and I just can't get through to you. And, you know, they're going to see in my reports that you're not responding, and, you know, they may take me off the case. I don't know. I hope not.
Michael, take off the mask. Honey, you don't look good. You have to eat. Come on.
Put my mask back on.
Michael.
Please put my mask back on.
Come on. Let's try to enjoy the day.
The child christened Michael Myers has become a sort of ghost, a mere shape of a human being. And there's nothing left here now.
Well, before I go, I brought you something. I found it. I thought you might like to hang it up in your room. I thought you'd like it. Well, I guess I'll see you next week.
I'll walk you to the car.
Bye, sweetie.
No, sit with Michael. I'm taking Mrs. Myers to her car.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Cute baby.
He's been silent now for 2 weeks almost. We really may want to consider maybe shock treatment.